Yes, I have medication, but I'm trying to wean myself off of it. And I had to stop therapy like a year ago, so. I mean, I thought I had her under control. I was fine.
So, Sandra. Sandra?
Control? A girl can't even control her emotions. Hello, Carlton. How are you?
Stephanie?
In the flesh. Took you long enough to figure out.
Where you and Trevor up to?
Wouldn't you like to know? You'll find out soon enough, trust me. Oh, and by the way, some of the money in the business account, I used some of it.
Angela? Yeah. Good man. Here what? Send me your bank account. Yeah, your bank account details. Right. Alright, later. May I tell you, say, it'll go work. Alright, here more you for do. Just send me your banking details right now so I can start send some money to your Patsy.
What? How?
You know, Carlton, somebody should have taught you that when the two become one, it's literal. Anyway, my business needed some new furniture. I needed a new wardrobe. It just worked out. I mean, stop overreacting. You know I still have a credit card.
You know, said that money there was my business money, Sandra.
Who?
Never need her to leave my place.
So what about your poor, helpless wife? What's gonna happen to Sandra, Carlton?
That's not my problem. Just leave now.
I lost my house because of you. I was in therapy. I was in depression for a year. And you think I'm just gonna walk out the door empty-handed?
If you know what I mean, no, you leave now. But I'm still not rational, my friend. Because if you stay, I'm content for chat this I'm not responsible for what I'm to you.
Okay, Carlton. I'll leave. But I'll be back.
Leave now. Sandra, Stephanie, whoever you be, leave.
Stephanie, no!